Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500 LT Crew. It's essentially pretty much the longest pickup you can buy. Believe this is the 8-foot bed. Not sure where it's gonna show me what the size is, but yeah, it's up there. Total price $51,760, which is actually not bad at all. Love that little cubby. Very smart idea on Chevy and GM's part. Yeah, that's definitely an 8-foot bed. North Sky Blue Metallic is your exterior color. So have a little grab handle so you can step up and into the bed, and also check the suspension while you're at it. It's a really nice truck. I'm a huge fan of them. You also have an additional side step here, so if you need to grab something out the back. Interior, of course, is like your normal Silverado. This is your key. You can unlock, lock. Of course that would work. Oh, I'm a moron. I've tried that before and it never worked. I'm a bloody moron. Getting in, it's not bad. It's definitely up there. I'm 5'9", and the seat basically comes up right to my hip. Also, little neat trick. So if you are ever gonna flat tow this, what you do is you make sure you're in two-wheel drive mode, make sure you're neutral, set the parking brake, and press this two-wheel drive button 5 times within 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see four-wheel drive shift in progress. This N light up, and then you are in neutral. So everything's kind of disconnected. So you can, if you're towing this behind a camper, even though this will probably be towing the camper, you can flat tow it and not worry at all. To exit out of it, just press two-wheel drive. It will shift. Foot on brake, disengage the parking brake, and put it in drive. Pretty cool. With 2018, 2019, and before, where they had all the four-wheel drive modes right here, you'd hold it one direction for a certain amount of time. So there's a bunch of little Easter eggs or so stuff you'll come to understand as you get more familiar with these trucks. This one has the 6-speed automatic. Mated to the 6.6 liter gasoline V8. You also can get, of course, the Duramax diesel, and I think on higher trim levels you can get either an 8 or 10 speed. It's pretty cool. Definitely Definitely really, really nice in this configuration. Go ahead, bump it over into tow haul mode, and then you also have driving modes, normal and off-road, and then tow haul. In tow haul mode, as you're coming to a stop, it will downshift for you in order to help you not use the brakes as much. 'Cause, you know, when you're hauling a lot of weight, it'll be very easy to overheat brakes. See, that's what I mean. So I'm not downshifting. That's the truck doing it. It's just really an awesome truck. Definitely extremely capable and quite rare in this configuration. It's the first one I've seen ever for the 2020 year. So it's pretty unique. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.